Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sewing with the top 5 best sewing machines that are perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and pros alike. Whether you want to start crafting your own clothes, do quick repairs, or take on bigger sewing projects, I've got you covered with the best picks that combine quality, features, and value. Don't forget to check out the product links down in the description to grab the machines I'll be talking about. It's the easiest way to get started on your sewing journey right away. All right, let's get stitching. 5. Janome 001 Sorbet. This versatile sewing machine is designed for both beginners and experienced users, offering a comprehensive set of features to handle a variety of projects. It comes with 15 built-in stitches, a 4-step buttonhole, and a front-loading bobbin system for smooth, efficient operation. Its heavy-duty interior metal frame ensures durability and stability during use. Customizable settings like adjustable stitch length and zigzag width, a reverse lever, and a darning plate provide added control and flexibility. For convenience, it features a 3-piece feed dog system, a removable free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves, and dual retractable spool pins. Easy-to-use elements include tutorial videos, a built-in bobbin diagram, and a quick start guide to help you get started right away. The package also includes 4 presser feet, beginner-friendly accessories, an instructional manual, an extra high presser foot lift for thick fabrics, and a 25-year limited warranty for long-term confidence. 4. Crazyboy Deluxe Edition. Meet the 16-stitch desktop sewing machine, the versatile magician in the sewing world. Whether you're a complete beginner or rediscovering your love for crafting, this compact yet powerful sewing machine is designed to make every project feel effortless. With 16 built-in professional stitches, it handles everything from hemming pants and altering curtains to delicate embroidery and kids' crafts. Easily switch between single and double needle modes to match your skill level and speed preference, while the strong motor sews through thick fabrics like denim without making a sound. Perfect for quiet, late-night creativity. The smart foot pedal lets you control the pace with ease, and thoughtful features like LED lighting, automatic thread cutting, and a space-saving design ensure a smooth, enjoyable experience. It's more than just a sewing machine. It's your personal assistant in creativity, helping you stitch your ideas into reality and write your own crafting story. 3. Brother CS7000X. The Brother CS7000X sewing and quilting machine is a versatile and user-friendly tool, perfect for both beginners and experienced sewists. It boasts 70 unique built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting options, along with 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes for professional results. The improved automatic needle threader makes threading a breeze, while the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin ensures smooth operation. Built with a durable metal frame and a fixed needle bar, it provides stable, precise stitching on a variety of projects. The large needle-to-arm workspace is ideal for handling bigger pieces like quilts, and the machine comes fully equipped with a wide table, 10 sewing feet, a quilt guide, a protective hard case, and a trilingual manual. Please note, this model is designed for use in the US at 120 volts only. Using it outside these specifications may void the warranty. 2. Singer 4432. Experience professional-level performance with this feature-packed sewing machine designed for both speed and strength. With an extra high sewing speed of up to 1 to 1100 stitches per minute, you can breeze through long seams and large projects in no time. Its enhanced piercing power, thanks to a stronger motor, allows you to effortlessly sew through multiple layers and thick fabrics. Explore your creativity with 110 stitch applications, including basic, stretch, decorative stitches, and a convenient one-step buttonhole. Built to last, the full metal frame provides stability and durability for years of reliable use. Plus, the top drop-in bobbin system with a clear view cover ensures jam-free operation and lets you keep an eye on your thread supply for uninterrupted sewing. 1. Brother XM2701. The Brother XM2701 sewing machine is a versatile and user-friendly option, featuring 27 unique built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, stretch stitches, and an auto-size buttonhole for added convenience. Designed with ease of use in mind, it includes an automatic needle threader that flawlessly threads the needle and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. The machine comes with a range of accessories, such as 6 sewing feet, a 3-piece needle set, a twin needle, 4 bobbins, an instructional DVD, a user manual, and more. Its versatile free arm makes it ideal for a variety of everyday sewing projects, accommodating both beginners and experienced users. Additionally, the XM2701 offers Brothers at Your Side support, providing free technical assistance via online, live chat, or phone for the lifetime of the machine. Please note, this product is intended for sale only in the US and operates at 120 volts. Use outside these parameters will void the warranty. Thanks so much for watching our roundup of the top 5 best sewing machines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest reviews and tips. Also, check out the description below. We've included direct links to all the sewing machines featured in this video for your convenience. Happy sewing, and see you in the next one.